If you're thinking of visiting New Zealand in 2026 but your real goal is to find a job, secure a work visa, and settle long-term, this video is for you. New Zealand is one of the few countries where many migrants arrive on a visitor visa first, and later transition into a job offer plus employer-assisted work visa. Today, I'll walk you through how this pathway works, the type of jobs you can realistically get, how to find employers, and the step-by-step process from a visitor visa all the way to a legal work visa. Let's get started. Can you convert a visitor visa to a work visa in New Zealand? Yes, but not automatically. Here's how it works. You cannot apply for a work visa while you are solely a visitor, but you can search for jobs, attend interviews, and secure an offer. Once you get a job offer, the employer starts the process to get you an accredited employer work visa, AEWV. Then you apply for the visa from inside New Zealand. Thousands of migrants do this every year. Why New Zealand allows this pathway? New Zealand has ongoing labor shortages in key sectors. Population is small. Aging workforce. High demand for foreign workers in low, mid, and high-skilled roles. Employers struggle to fill jobs locally. This makes the visitor-to-work pathway very common. High-demand jobs you can get in 2026. These are realistic roles that employers often hire migrants for, especially those already inside New Zealand. Hospitality and tourism. Chefs, housekeepers, waiters, bar staff. Manufacturing and factories. Production workers, packers, machine operators, warehouse assistants. Care and support work. Aged care assistants, disability support workers, home care. Logistics and transport. Forklift operators, pickers and packers, delivery staff. Agriculture and farms. Fruit picking, greenhouse workers, dairy farm assistants. Tech, for skilled workers. Software developers, network engineers, IT support. These jobs regularly sponsor AEWV. How to find a job while on a visitor visa. Here are trusted and active websites where New Zealand employers hire foreign workers. 1. Seek.co.nz. 2. Trademe.co.nz/jobs. 3. Workhere.co.nz. 4. Careers.government.nz. These platforms have hundreds of AEWV-eligible jobs. How to find accredited employers, very important. To get a work visa, the employer must be accredited. Official accredited employer list. immigration.government.nz/employ migrants/accredited employer list. Use it to check which companies can legally sponsor you. Step-by-step application process, visitor to work visa. Step 1. Enter New Zealand on a visitor visa. You're allowed to stay 3 months, some nationalities get 6. Step 2. Start job search immediately. Attend interviews, walk into businesses, and apply online using the websites above. Step 3. Get a job offer. Your employer sends you employment agreement, job offer letter, job description. Step 4. Employer applies for job check. This is required before they can hire a foreigner. Step 5. You apply for the AEWV work visa. Submit your documents. Passport. Job offer. Employment agreement. Proof of experience, if needed. Police clearance. Medical, if required. Step 6, visa approval. If approved, your visitor visa transitions to a work visa, allowing you to work legally in New Zealand. Processing time, 2 to 6 weeks on average. Tips to increase your chances. Here's what actually works in New Zealand. Prepare a New Zealand-style CV. Simple, clean, and achievement-based. Apply in the same location you are staying. Example, stay in Auckland, apply to Auckland employers. Local employers prefer people already nearby. Visit workplaces physically. Especially for hospitality, farms, logistics, and retail. Start with entry-level roles. Once inside the system, you can move to better roles later. Avoid overstaying your visitor visa. If your visa expires, you cannot apply. Transitioning from a visitor visa to a work visa is one of the most common migration pathways in New Zealand. As long as you follow the rules, apply to accredited employers, and position yourself well, you can secure a job offer and move into legal employment. New Zealand needs workers in many sectors, and being physically present already gives you a big advantage. If this video helped you, make sure you check the links in the description and explore more opportunities. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update on countries currently offering visa sponsorship jobs. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next video.